Hi children, it's Mrs. Ravilious. I thought that I would do a little lesson on doubling today. And a good way to do doubling is with ladybirds. Now, the first number that I am going to double is 2. So I'm going to put 2 above the first ladybird. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put, first of all, 2 spots on one side because we are doubling 2. And what I mean by doubling is that we have the same amount again. So on this side, I need to add another 2 spots. So here I go. So as you can see, there's the same amount on both sides, okay? Now, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So double 2 is 4. Now let's see if we can do this as an equation. So what we're going to do is we are going to see what this represents. So these spots here represent 2. So I'm going to put number 2 there. And we are adding them all together to find the double. So I'm going to put add there. And we are adding another 2 because both sides have the same amount. So when we are doubling, if you can see, we are adding the same number. So 2 add 2 equals 4. So double 2 is 4. And this is the equation to represent it. Okay, let's do another one. Let me think. Let's do double 4. So I'm going to put 4 above here. Okay, so first of all, we need to draw 4 spots here because we are doubling that number. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, when we double, we have the same amount again on this side. So I need to draw another 4. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you can see, both sides have the same amount. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So double 4 is 8. Let's see if we can write the equation to go with this. So on this side, we know there are 4 spots because we are doubling 4. And with an equation, we are adding the same number again. So we know it is going to be 4. And we know that because on this side, there's 4 as well. And then we know that double 4 we've just said is 8. So I'm going to put 8 there. Okay? So double 4 is 8. Let's do another one. Let me see. Let me do 5 this time. So I'm going to write 5 here because we are doubling that number. So on this side of the ladybird, we need to draw 5 spots. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as I've told you, we need to do the same amount again. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 on both sides. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So double 5 is 10. Let's see if we can do the equation to match. So let me just move this so you can actually see the board. So we start with the number 5. And we know that we are adding. And we've got another 5. So we are adding the same number. Equals. And we know that double 5 is 10. So this is an easy way to do doubling. Now I'm going to show you another way using dominoes, okay? So let me just wipe off the ladybirds and I will show you. So here is my domino. And I'm going to do there we go. So here's my domino. And on one side, I have put some dots in, okay? Can you count them? If you said 6, you were right. So we are going to do double 6. So let me write that there. So I'm going to write double 6. So how many do you think we need to draw on this side? Remember what we did with the ladybirds? It's exactly the same. If you said 6, you were right. Well done. Give yourselves a pat on the back. So let's draw another 6 spots because we know that you have got to have the same amount again. That's very important. So let's draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my 6 spots. So we've got 6 spots here and 6 spots there. It's very important you have exactly the same amount, okay? Let's see what double 6 is. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So double 6 is 12. Now I'm going to see if you can write the equation for this under here. Remember what we did with the ladybirds, okay? You are adding the same number. So you can pause the video to do it, okay? So if you have got 6, add another 6 equals 12, you were right. Well done. Give yourselves a little fairy clap. Excellent. Okay, let's do another one. So, let me quickly rub this one off. And I'm going to do another one for you. Okay. So on this domino, I have got this amount of spots. Can you count them? If you've said 3, you are right. So we are going to double 3. So I am going to do double 3 here. Can you remember what we need to do to double? What do we need to do to this side? If you've said we've got to do the same amount again, you were right. Well done, children. So we need to draw the same amount, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we've got 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Now you can pause the video again because I want to see if you can do the equation here and find the answer, because I haven't told you what double 3 is yet. I want to see if you can figure it out for yourself. So I'll give you a little bit of time to write the equation underneath. Remember, you are seeing how many's on this side and how many's on this side for the equation. Okay, so if you have got 3 and then we are adding another 3, and then if we add these all together, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 add 3 equals 6. So double 3 is 6. Well done, children. Give yourselves a lightning bolt. Now, I would love to see if you could do your own doubling. Okay, you can either use dominoes or you can do the ladybirds. See if you can do the equations as well. Okay, there's lots of other numbers that you can double. There is 7, there's 8, there's 1, there's 10. You could either do 6 again, 3 again, 4 again. Okay, so you practice those and I look forward to seeing them on Tapestry or via email. Okay, so have a lovely time doubling and I will see you soon. Bye for now.